When you are trying to get a loan and you have found yourself in need of money for some personal use, you will find that your personal finances are very limited. While you can ask family and friends for help, you may not be able to ask for the same loan you would find elsewhere. Unfortunately, in these current economic times it can be very difficult to obtain a loan, and it is important to not put off your problem until later. You can find a great solution to your problem if you understand that you can do it yourself. With a little bit of work and research, you can obtain your loan without putting any kind of pressure on yourself. Many people who are in this situation will find that they need more than just the internet to help them out with their problem. The best place to start in getting a quick loan to cover your unexpected expense is by doing a web search. Go online and do a search. One of the results that you will get is to simply ask, "Can you get a loan with no credit check?" This will get you several websites that offer loans to those who do not have credit. These loans will cover any expenses you have not been able to afford, even if you have credit check problems. The loans may even come with a substantial interest rate, but this can still be a good option to consider. When you work with a small lender who does not require a credit check, you will find that it is a lot easier to receive the money you need. You can get a lot of help from family and friends if you decide to get a loan without using their connections. There are many personal loans available, but you will want to make sure that you get the best interest rate that you can get. Smaller loans tend to have lower interest rates because they are considered to be cash loans, which is why it is so easy to get your loan. It is also important to make sure that you can make the payments on time. Make sure that you follow through with your payments. It can help if you have extra money when you can use it to pay off your loan if you have extra cash, but there is nothing wrong with being prepared in this case. If you have a decent amount of money at your disposal, the best solution to finding the best interest rate for you is by obtaining a personal loan through a bank. They are much more likely to approve you for a loan, because you are already established in the credit history, and you do not have any credit history that has been damaged. However, you can still apply for a loan without having a low credit score. The main thing to remember is that you do not want to just apply for a loan that you cannot afford. Remember that you need to be more careful about what you apply for and how you apply for it. If you are thinking about applying for a loan that will solve your financial situation, then you will want to see what other options you have. If you are in a position where you need to keep the emergency cash on hand in order to get through this crisis period, then you will want to look at credit card debt consolidation. Another option that you can look at is credit card debt consolidation. The process of consolidating your loans will eliminate one large loan into a number of smaller loans that you can pay off easily. This is a more affordable solution to credit card debt. You can find a variety of loans to cover your problem. It is important to remember that when you are considering a loan to solve your financial problem, you need to ensure that you do it the smart way. This means that you should always take the time to do your research on your potential loan and use a professional that can help you with your problem.